MG's Adapt is here. No, it's not a new car. ये एक नई टेक्नोलॉजी है. It's called Advanced Driving Architecture Platform Technology. That is a mouthful. तो इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. क्या MG ने दिखाया है? आपकी जो गाड़ी होती है उसके नीचे एक प्लेटफॉर्म होता है, बेसिकली द अंडरपिनिंग्स ऑफ योर कार, जिसके ऊपर पूरी गाड़ी बिल्ड होती है. एंड MG इज नॉट फाउंड वन बट टू ऑफ दोस. एंड दीज टू आर्किटेक्चर्स will spawn off future products for them. अब दिक्कत क्या है, आप जब गाड़ी लेने जाते हैं ना, आप कंफ्यूज जाते हैं कि यार पेट्रोल, डीजल, हाइब्रिड, इलेक्ट्रिक क्या लूं. एंड मैन्युफैक्चरर के लिए अलग अलग प्लेटफॉर्म इंजीनियर करना कैन बी अ बिग कॉस्ट. सो टू मेक थिंग्स easier for both you and themselves, what MG has done is they've revealed two platforms which can spawn off different types of driving technologies. मतलब कि एक प्लेटफॉर्म जो हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे वो एक इलेक्ट्रिक प्लेटफॉर्म है, प्योरली इलेक्ट्रिक. दूसरा प्लेटफॉर्म जो हम देखने वाले हैं, इट इज अ प्लग इन हाइब्रिड. एंड MG हैज बीन क्लेवर इन हाउ दे यूज द कॉन्फ़िगरेशन टू स्क्वीज आउट द मैक्सिमम फ्रॉम दीज प्लेटफॉर्म्स. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अड्यू देखते हैं MG नया क्या ला रहा है विद MG Adapt. लेट्स गो चेक इट आउट. Now, what you see behind me, this is the first of the two platforms that I want to show you. This is a purely electric architecture that you see right behind me. अब बहुत कुछ नया नहीं है यहाँ पे. This is basically a configuration that you will see on most electric cars. But let me explain to you what's happening underneath over here. This is what you call the platform. ये chassis है गाड़ी का, and this is the battery pack जो chassis के साथ integrate होके mount होता है. Now the lights are there just to show you how energy flows, but that's not there on the real car. अब battery pack से the energy is flowing that way, which is the front of the car, and you've got an electric drive unit over here. Now there is a drive unit यहाँ पे जो basically front tires को drive करती है. Now when you want the electric motor up front to drive the car, energy will flow one way from the battery to the electric drive unit. But what's special about this platform, this pure electric platform that MG is calling Drive.NEV, basically new energy vehicle, यहाँ पे energy can flow the other way around also. Now what is happening over here is that whenever you're braking or something and energy can be conserved, motors can spin the other way, send the energy back to the battery pack to top it up. That is something that's happening automatically. Now what MG is calling this is kinetic energy recovery system. और भी गाड़ियां ये करती हैं इलेक्ट्रिक कार्स में, रीजन के नाम से आपने सुना होगा. What remains to be seen is how efficiently will MG be able to do it with this, the electric vehicle architecture for the future, because that is where the gains are to be made. After all, EVs is a game of efficiency. अब दूसरा प्लेटफॉर्म वो कैसा है, लेट्स गो चेक इट आउट. अब ये जो है, दिस इज द सेकंड प्लेटफॉर्म दैट MG हैज शोन अस टुडे. It's the plug-in hybrid platform over here, and as you can see, यहाँ पे fuel tank भी मौजूद है. उसके बगल में you see a battery pack, and once again आगे की तरफ देखेंगे, there's a dedicated hybrid engine and an electromagnetic dedicated hybrid transmission. A lot of words, so let's quickly unwrap over here what is happening. Basically, first of all, the lights का pattern that you're seeing, that's the pattern of energy flow. जो चीजें power हो रही हैं fuel tank से, that's glowing orange, and ones that are being powered to the battery are glowing green over here. ये lights actually cars में नहीं होंगी, they are just here for a representational purpose. So what happens here is that dedicated hybrid engine up front, now that can run on the fuel, and this engine can either directly drive the wheels or it can also just work in a capacity as a generator to recharge the battery pack. साथ ही साथ जो आगे इलेक्ट्रिक ड्राइव यूनिट है, that can also just drive the car on its own. So basically engine को वहाँ पे on ही नहीं होना पड़ रहा. This happens in circumstances जहाँ पर engine को on करना बहुत ही fuel की बर्बादी करना होगा, because it's very inefficient to turn on the engine in those conditions. तो वहाँ पे electric motor step in करती है, and that is what it does. So basically यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है कि जो engine है ना, वो स्लो ड्राइविंग कंडीशंस में इनएफिशिएंट होता है. वहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर कैन टेक ओवर एंड डू इट्स जॉब. नाउ दैट ट्रांसमिशन दैट इज देयर इन द सेंटर, इट स्विचेस बिटवीन देम वेरी वेरी इफेक्टिवली. जब आउटराइट पावर की क्रूजिंग की जरूरत है ऑन हाईवेज, वहाँ पे पेट्रोल इंजन वापस कैन कम बैक इन, पावर द व्हील्स डायरेक्टली, सो दैट कोई इनएफिशिएंसी क्रिएट नहीं हो रही है. The purpose behind showing you this platform over here is that basically going forward, as we have so many different modes of propulsion, petrol भी use कर सकते हैं, electric power, उनको combine करके what MG is trying to do here is come up with the best way that can be the most efficient in propelling your car forward. So कोई numbers नहीं है, facts and figures नहीं है हमारे पास, but this is what this entire powertrain over here is designed to show you कि you can use multiple ways to move the same car. अब इसी के साथ MG has also shown us the kind of टेक्नोलॉजी जो बैटरी पैक्स की टेस्टिंग के लिए, सेफ्टी के लिए, इन सब चीजों के लिए यूज करी गई है, एक नजर उस पर भी डाल लेते हैं. नाउ मैजिक बैटरी. The full form is multi-function unitized structure technology, advanced cell safety, greater performance, intelligent management, combustion free. That's just an acronym to make you remember what this is. पीछे मेरे क्या है, एक बैटरी पैक है which has been submerged in water. Now it says time since immersion करीब 7 मिनट से ये submerged है यहाँ पानी में. And what basically MG is trying to show us over here is कि their battery packs can be dipped in water and they remain safe. Now this is obviously an oversimplified way of showing the same thing, but it is basically showing you कि पानी बैटरी पैक में आसानी से नहीं घुस पाएगा. There is a picture on your screen that will also show you how the battery pack kind of looks like without any of these covers on. अंदर से कैसा दिखता है, architecture कैसा होता है, gives you a little bit of a more in-depth look. Now, I'm not going to pretend to be a scientific expert and tell you I really understand what this is because this is an exposed battery pack of a car. यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे, एक नजर डाल लेते हैं, समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. So you see a lot of transistors over here. This looks like the battery management system. You've also got a lot of cells lined up over here. लिखा भी है lithium ion cells. So this is how the cells are placed inside a battery pack. You can see these thin wires which connect each cell. Color coded है यहाँ पे, so basically the connections can be done the right way. You've also got these outlets over here जो basically पूरी बैटरी का जो total output है वो यहाँ से connections के द्वारा manage होता है. Basically this is how you can input power and extract power from the battery pack. There was a quick look at what the battery pack that's inside your EV probably looks like. Now that was a quick look at the upcoming technology from MG Motors. अलग टाइप के प्लेटफॉर्म्स आने वाले हैं, बैटरी पैक की सेफ्टी कैसी होती है, बैटरी पैक अंदर से कैसा दिखता है, ये सब कुछ चीजें हमने आपको इस वीडियो में दिखाई. Which one did you find the most interesting and किस टाइप की upcoming NEV that is new energy vehicle की टाइप की टेक्नोलॉजी के लिए आप most excited हैं? I would love to know what you think about it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching and until the next one, goodbye.